All right, guys, we're back with another new sandwich from Papi's. Check this one out right here.
Just look at
going
this.
down here.
Oh.
French dip, everybody. The French dip. We've been wanting a French dip for a long time. Yeah. So if you haven't had a French dip here in town, well, Papi's is the place to go. So here it is. I'm gonna give you a closer look. We have thinly cut ribeye steak on here, provolone cheese melted all over, on a toasted hoagie roll. Thank you very much, Leah. We got me a cold Coca-Cola and, of course, some au jus to dip it in.
Au jus?
Au jus. Au jus.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Au jus. Au jus. So I'm going to cut you off a little piece here because I know you're starving, as usual.
I'm feeling better. That's why.
Yeah,
it means a lot.
you're eating way too much. She's eating all my food all the time. I don't know what to do with her.
We always share, Papi.
I know, but you're eating half of my meal all the time. So let's have it. Let's see what's going on with this.
Share your calories.
I'm gonna cut it up. Hold on. All right, let's fold this over here. And let's cut it right here where this little break is here. I think that's good enough for you. You're gonna get a little less than half.
Yes, I see that. That's not fair.
Yeah, let's do this. A little less than half. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh goodness.
That's my half.
That's your half.
Yes.
The best part is dipping this fresh, soft
Papi, use your part,
bread.
not mine.
I am using your part. Best part is this right here, guys. Dip it just like that.
My goodness.
And then eat it.
Like home? Like home? Oh, yeah.
Like home. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Got provolone cheese. That's what does it. Dip it in that bread. Right there.
Okay, Papi, it's my turn.
You give it a try, honey. It's delicious. Isn't that good? That's what I'm talking about, guys. Right here. Provolone cheese and meat and au jus. That's all it's on here. That's all you need.
Delicious.
And the bread is great. That's really what makes it, is that soft hoagie roll, toasted.
Toasted.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Meat's tender too. Tender.
Best quality meat.
Yeah, thin cut ribeye.
Delicious.
Same as our ribeye steaks here. We just have them cut very thin for this and trim all the extra fat off.
Come to Papi's and try the new item.
Yep.
It's delicious.
Got to try the French dip. Mercy's about done with this one already. Didn't take you long.
My goodness.
Oh yeah. Something so simple can be so good sometimes. Basically, meat, bread, and cheese, and this au jus. Just, oh my goodness, guys.
If your ingredients, they perfect, they make the perfection in the sandwich.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you.
The meat, the quality of the cheese. Provolone's not easy to find in this town.
No.
So
It's expensive,
we
guys.
bought a very big block of provolone to make these sandwiches with. But yeah, I'm gonna dig into the rest of this now and give it hell. I'm gonna cut this one in half. We just did this in thirds, and I'll eat 2/3, and you can have 1/3.
I have less than 1 quarter.
Less than 1/4. Less than 1/4. Oh my gosh. It's all falling apart. Look at all that. Look at that ribeye meat just coming out of there. It is so tender.
It is.
And we soak that ribeye in the au jus before we put it on the bun. It makes it even more flavorful. I just don't want to lose it in my soup. I'm going to try to hold on to it. There we go.
I want to order another one, Papi. It's so good. Oh my goodness.
My goodness, guys. This is plain old delicious.
Deep.
How you do it right there. The wetter, the better.
I want to give you a chance to have one more bite in that one, and then I can eat it.
I was going to give you the end piece.
No, it's okay. I just want one more bite for you.
Just one more?
Yeah, one more bite for you. Small one though.
What if I just make another sandwich? How about that?
That's fine.
We'll just eat one more.
All right.
I think I can do it.
Me too.
Man.
Hi, Papi. It's very, very good.
I'm going to take a minute and thank everybody for all your comments on our criminal activity video.
By the way,
And all your suggestions, what we should do about deterring any further thievery going on in here. And you're all right, pretty much. We should probably have this stuff locked up.
I know, but you know what, Papi? We trust.
We're too trusting.
We trust in people.
Well, you want to have faith in humanity sometimes.
Yes,
that nobody
I know.
will do something like that to you. But
I know.
at the same time, you know what happens.
Yeah.
We just have to be more aware of our surroundings. Lesson learned.
Yes.
But
It's sad, though.
there are measures that we can take to do a better job at
Yeah.
avoiding that.
It's okay. You know what?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, they really need the money. It's not a way though,
Right?
but I hope it's for something good, for feed the family. But it's not. Oh well.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, Papi. I just. Okay, Mister. Look at what you gave me.
No, I'm gonna leave you this one.
Are you wanna order another one?
Yes. I don't know, man. That might be my next favorite sandwich right there, next to the buffalo chicken. Isn't it good?
It's delicious. Huh?
So this is the first one, guys. We got a few.
This is the premiere.
So this is our first, this is the prototype, because we're breaking out some new items on the menu. We now have pizzas on the menu, as well as the calzone, which we broke out with. Now we have pizzas. French dip. We've added some side items that we thought we needed, like coleslaw. And we never had coleslaw on the menu, believe it or not. It's kind of a strange thing that we didn't think of that to begin with. I think we did think about it, but we just had so many other things going on. But we've added coleslaw by popular demand. We've added fried green tomatoes. And of course, I'll be showing you guys these as we bust these out of the kitchen here, as they start being made and created for all you guys that want to come in and eat. There's a few other things. We have fajitas. And we have a burrito, a new burrito coming out with Mexican rice and refried beans on it. What else?
Gonna be my favorite.
I should have my list in front of me, but we have several new items coming out that's going to be delicious. Losing a couple of things off the original menu that just weren't big sellers. Sometimes when you create a menu and you have these tastes, Drake and I are like, man, we need to have this, we need to have that. We understand that's our taste, and it's not necessarily everybody else's taste.
Yeah.
So we have to just give it a shot and see what happens. Now I'm going to upset a few people when I remove a couple of these items that I'm moving off the menu. But you know what? We can probably throw it together for you if you guys are been wanting that and it's not on the menu. We can most likely make it happen. But progress in the restaurant to the menu, new items, always trying to think of stuff to fill your bellies with here at Papi's, man. This is it.
Get fat cheap.
Get fat cheap. I wouldn't say cheap, but
For the quality of our.
get fat for sure.
No, you have the best quality.
We do have
in
the
every
cheap.
single item.
We do
I
have
promise.
the cheap bastard.
Oh, but nobody wants it.
I had somebody come in the other day and say, "Hey, I want one of those cheap bastards." Of course, he was joking. And then I had other comments saying, kind of the whole reason we came up with the cheap bastard. We had somebody throw a comment out there. Hey, I can get 2 eggs and potatoes and toast for 105 pesos somewhere. Just saying. I'm like, all right. Exactly. All right, B-Boy's here.
Come on, B-Boy.
And he wants to rock. He got my guitar off the wall and he's ready to rock and roll.
Come on.
Let's go ahead and show the world what you can do, B-Boy. Come on, no pressure. No pressure. Come on. Request. Aaliyah, any requests for B-Boy?
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, rock song.
Rock song.
You do.
Hit it. He's gonna rock the house. He's gonna wake up everybody in here in a minute. What are you having? Lessons?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna just bust out something. You're doing practice session.